Hey everyone, Duchess DJ here. And let's be honest, who loves the feeling of dragging themselves to the airport, right? The long lines, the heavy bags, and the endless waiting can really take a toll on you. Air travel can be stressful, but with the right preparation and mindset, you can make it a breeze. Imagine gliding through security, boarding with ease, and actually enjoying your flight. Listen, I'm on the road 200 days out of the year, and over time, I've developed a system that keeps me sane and helps me arrive at my destination feeling fresh. From packing smart to staying organized, these tips have been my lifesaver. I'm going to share my personal tips to help you navigate the airport like a pro and actually enjoy the experience. So buckle up and get ready to transform your travel routine. Let's make your next trip the best one yet. First things first, let's talk about packing. You don't want to be that person holding up the line because you've got a whole pharmacy in your carry-on. Before you even leave for the airport, check in online. It takes 2 seconds and saves you a world of headache. I know, waking up early is the worst, but trust me on this one. Get to the airport early to avoid unnecessary stress. Chapter 4. Leave the stilettos and the chunky jewelry at home, honey. Comfort is key when you're flying. Chapter 5. Airplanes dry you out. Bring an empty water bottle and fill it up after security. Chapter 6. Avoid those overpriced, unhealthy airport snacks. Pack your own. Chapter 7. Juice up your devices. Dead phone? Not on my watch. Charge everything before you leave and bring a portable charger for backup. Chapter 8. Security check made easy. We've all been stuck behind someone who forgot to take off their belt or empty their pockets. Don't be that person. Be prepared for security by organizing your belongings and knowing the rules. It will make the process smoother and faster for everyone. Chapter 9. Know your gate, know your way. Airports are like mazes. Check your gate number early and know how to get there. Chapter 10. Relax, you're on vacation. You've made it. Now it's time to relax. Read a book, listen to music, and get ready for your adventure. Outro. Fly high. Fly stress-free. So there you have it, my personal tips for stress-free air travel. From packing smartly to staying organized, these tips can make a world of difference. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. Make sure to have all your documents ready and double check your itinerary. Duchess DJ Love, a frequent flyer, shares tips to make your experience at the airport pleasant and how to handle unforeseen incidents. Whether it's navigating security or finding your gate, preparation is key. And hey, even if things don't go exactly according to plan, a delayed flight, a lost bag, don't sweat it. These things happen, and it's important to stay calm. Take a deep breath, remember that you're on an adventure, and go with the flow. Embrace the journey and make the most of every moment. Safe travels, everyone.